Hey guys, we're here in Milwaukee for a 3-day weekend. Milwaukee is known for being Brew City, so we're going to take you around, show you several different breweries, taste some of their brews. It also has several unique hidden gems, so we're going to take you around and show you some of those, as well as get out on Lake Michigan and do some sailing, so stay tuned. Cheers. During our 3-day stay, we found Milwaukee to be such a cool place. There are tons of great breweries and restaurants throughout the city. We were able to go bowling in the oldest bowling alley in the country. We enjoyed cocktails at the oldest cocktail lounge in the city. And we even had brunch at a Speakeasy, camouflaged as a TV repair business. And of course, we managed to get out on Lake Michigan for an afternoon of sailing.
Jillian and I had a blast sampling the brews and food that has put Milwaukee on the map. But we also enjoyed the beautiful architecture and history that made us feel like Milwaukee is a city that everyone should visit. Before we get to more on Milwaukee, here's a little bit more about us in case you are new to our channel.
We are Jillian and Bryant, high school sweethearts from Stillwater, Oklahoma. We enjoy finding new adventures through our travel and have developed a passion for sailing. For now, this channel will show our love for sailing through our bareboat charters, as well as sharing the unique places we find while traveling with friends and family. That is, until we can give up our daily grind and fulfill our dream of crewing our own catamaran. Subscribe and follow along with us on our adventures, as we are determined to find the Caribbean's best beaches, bars, and amazing sunsets, one anchorage at a time. So first up is Milwaukee's public market. Most everyone will tell you that when visiting Milwaukee, you must visit the public market. You will find everything here, from a coffee shop, wine bar, t-shirts and souvenirs, to even a tiki bar to enjoy some afternoon cocktails on their patio. The market is also home to several food vendors, which brings us to our first food recommendation. St. Paul Fish Company has a small amount of seating inside, as well as an oyster bar where you can order fresh seafood. And if the seating is full, you can always grab some food to go and sit in the food court upstairs. We recommend the New England style lobster roll. When leaving the market, you can walk south to check out tons of shopping and restaurants in the 3rd Ward area, or you can walk north to check out the architecture of the historic buildings in downtown. One of the most iconic buildings in downtown is the Milwaukee City Hall. It features an 18-foot clock, making it one of the most recognizable buildings in the city. The Milwaukee River runs just west of downtown, and the area is known as the Riverwalk. There are a lot of boats in the river and several drawbridges that raise for the marine traffic. There are several art pieces along the river, including a statue of the most famous person from Milwaukee, Arthur Fonzarelli. So make sure to stop by and say to the Bronze Fonz. Hey guys, we're here at Sobelmans in Milwaukee. We are here because Brian has been here before, and we hear there's some great Bloody Marys and burgers, so we're gonna go check it out. Cheers. And what are they known for?
Beer and Bloody Marys and burgers. So we are here to do their, it's not a food challenge, but it is kind of is. It is a $65 Bloody Mary known as the Chicken Beast. So it's a Bloody Mary, comes in an 80-ounce pitcher with all types of stuff growing out of the top of it, and it's got a whole fried chicken, burger, all of that. So it is a massive undertaking. Jillian and I are going to do that today. It's the only Bloody Mary that I know of that when you order it, it comes with a pitcher of beer.
And were you successful last time you did this?
Yes.
So this is why we came back here, is because it was amazing last time you were here.
It was amazing. Most romantic date of my life with Justin Sappington. I've been growing my mustache for 5 weeks. That way, when we're attempting this challenge, you have to have somebody with a killer mustache, or it doesn't work. Where's mine? Strong.
How's the Bloody Mary treating you?
It's a lot.
You've knocked out the beer.
But it's good.
They dominated the fries. And we've made a really big dent in all the food and the chicken. Brian's still got a little bit of Bloody Mary left.
Quite a bit of Bloody Mary left.
So the chicken beef challenge. 2 thumbs up. How was it?
I'm full. I am miserably full. Are we gonna walk? Can we take a walk?
Yes, I think we should take some walk.
Yeah, we need. I need some steps. 5,000 calories of a Bloody Mary and of chicken and cheeseburgers and cookies and everything that comes with that meal. We just ate. We dominated the challenge. So now we need to go walk and do some activities.
Right off of downtown Milwaukee is the McKinley Marina. There are tons of water activities both on the rivers that run through Milwaukee as well as on Lake Michigan. We were able to go out with Captain Matt on his 37-foot Catalina Katie Lynn. He is starting a new business venture doing day sails and sunset cruises. So if you are looking to go on a sail on Lake Michigan for an afternoon or an evening, we can't recommend him and his company, Sea Dog Sailing, enough. Being a weekend with beautiful weather, Lake Michigan was full of boats sailing just outside the marina. It was so pretty to be able to look back into the city at the amazing skyline just above the shoreline. Hey guys, we're here at the Holler House in Milwaukee. It is the nation's oldest sanctioned bowling alley. So when we travel, we like to find the quirky little hole-in-the-wall places, and so Brian found this one, so we're getting ready to go inside and do some bowling. got 0. You got 1? After bowling, we took a short Uber ride to one of our favorite spots in Milwaukee, Bryant's Cocktail Lounge. It is the oldest cocktail lounge in the city and has been serving up classic drinks since 1938. If you're looking for a lively party scene or a budget-friendly drink, this might not be the place for you. However, if you're after an upscale lounge experience with no menus and expert bartenders crafting some of the best drinks you'll ever taste, Bryant's is definitely your choice. Hey guys, we're outside of Dawn's TV and Repair in Milwaukee. It's a little speakeasy style bar and restaurant. We got the password by making a reservation for brunch this morning, so we're gonna go in and eat some food and have some drinks. The place was full of old TVs and movie memorabilia. The menu at Dawn's has some outrageous drinks, including a $25 old fashioned that comes served in a crock pot. Brian stuck with a Bloody Mary, and I had a mimosa served in a bathtub with a rubber ducky. For food, we split the bourbon donut holes. Brian had the Fruity Pebble waffles, and I stuck with a butter burger, a Wisconsin favorite. We just took a 2-mile little scooter ride on some line scooters from our Airbnb, made it up to the Lakefront Brewery, safe and sound, so now we're gonna go check out some beers. Hey guys, so we're at Lakefront Brewery. This is a must when you come to Milwaukee. It's one of the oldest and well-known breweries, so we're gonna go check it out. Lakefront Brewery is a favorite spot for both tourists and locals. The wall adorns with awards highlighting their many accolades, including several Best in the City titles for both beer and food. They offer engaging brewery tours and feature an amazing patio with stunning view of the river. Our next stop was Veterans Park, located on the shores of Lake Michigan. It is a great spot to spend an afternoon with plenty of activities. You can rent a kite or paddle boats, enjoy a beer and live music at the beer gardens, or explore the nearby Milwaukee Art Museum. Milwaukee is known for its Polish and German heritage, so for our final dinner in the city, we chose to experience some German cuisine at Mater's, another iconic Milwaukee restaurant that has served a long list of celebrities that is displayed as you walk in the front door. I ordered a German beer and Bryant ordered a brandy old fashioned, which is popular in Milwaukee, and also the official Wisconsin state drink. For an appetizer, we split the Reuben rolls, a Reuben-inspired egg roll which Mater's is credited for creating. For dinner, we split the German sampler so we could try a little bit of the most popular dishes. I think we agree that the traditional German dishes weren't necessarily our favorites, but the ambiance in the restaurant were a terrific experience. Overall, we thoroughly enjoyed our long weekend in Milwaukee. The city offers a wealth of attractions and experiences that we believe are often underrated. Whether you're a foodie with a passion for great meals, a beer enthusiast, or someone who loves spending time on the water, Milwaukee has something for everyone. We hope you liked the video. If so, let us know by hitting the like button down below. Thanks for watching.